today in this video we're going on a family holiday to Center Parcs. I'm really excited. Are you, Mum?
I am. I really can't wait. It's going to be cold.
It is going to be cold.
But amazing.
It's definitely going to be amazing as well. And also, it's not just the three of us.
No.
Also, my auntie and my uncles are here too.
That's it. It's going to be great.
It's going to be so fun. And we thought we'd take you along with us too.
Morning, framed by golden sunlight. A morning, close friends travel together. Never wanting this to end, singing in the car and then our destination's here. Never wanting this to end. Right, high expectations, great winds are blowing.
We've arrived.
Should we go see what we're going to do?
Yes, please.
Come on then.
Now it's time to go into the lodge. I'm really looking forward to it.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is
The
good,
games
it's not
room.
what I felt.
Thank you. Wow.
Get me up, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. Find my way. Cause I found my way. My way. Find my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Really looking forward to a delicious meal at Bella Italia tonight. The robot is amazing and the food is absolutely delicious as well. What a lovely morning to go out on the balcony and listen to the birds chirping away. Thank you so much, Mum, for bringing the bird and blend teas from home. I'll have this one. What do you want, Mum?
I'll have that one.
It's lovely to know the amount of vegan options they've got in the freezers in the park market. They have even more than what we have at home.
need someone to save me. No, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell there's something.
Time for bowling now. We absolutely love it.
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. To the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. Standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of?
We are all looking forward to eating at Huck's tonight. Let's see what the vegan options are.
You keep me on my feet. I'll move to the beat, my favorite song. Keep it on repeat. Please don't let it fade. Just say you want.
Really looking forward to trying the Moving Mountain onion burger.
Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night. Like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone.
Thanks, Mum, for making us a delicious vegan breakfast.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down.
We are really looking forward to going to Rajendra Pradesh tonight for a lovely Indian meal. Oh wow, the poppadoms seem amazing, with all of the wonderful chutneys and of course the tasty poppadoms too.
It is a sweet chili dip. The flavours are so delicious. It's not too spicy either, it's really tasty.
It's like a make me feel sad.
Now, my absolute favourite dip for poppadoms, mango chutney. can't go wrong with mango chutney, hey mum. Oh, thank you.
Lovely, isn't it?
And for our main course, we've ordered some of the delicious chili fries, and our curry is vegan bunna.
The main courses have arrived. They smell absolutely incredible. I'm really looking forward to trying everything.
Chili fries. Wow.
They make it.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Really well, doesn't it?
It does. They are nice and spicy, aren't they? Definitely live up to their name. Here is some of the rice as well. The rice is really tasty as well. Let's go try the curry even. Here is the bunna. Oh, that smell.
It smells so good.
It really does.
Tastes lovely too.
It's good to hear. Oh wow, it really does, doesn't it? It's a wonderful flavour.
Flavoursome. It's so flavoursome.
It really is. Absolutely love it.
That's lovely, thank you.
What did your address, Dad?
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we...
Really looking forward to enjoying the Pancake House this morning.
Level pepper, don't you, Mum?
Looking forward to enjoying mine.
Me too.
The vegan banoffee pancake smells amazing, and the Dutch apple too, with the vegan whipped cream and vegan ice cream. Wow! The banoffee pancake tastes incredible. So many lovely flavours with the vegan whipped cream and ice cream too. I love the wonderful flavours from the Dutch apple so much, with a lovely taste of apple going so well with the vegan whipped cream and ice cream. It's amazing that they have a braille and tactile map here as well. Now it's time to go into the sports plaza and play one of our favourite activities, football pool.
I'm just trying to get by. I don't know how you do it. Trying to keep you off my mind. I can't hold to it. No matter where we
It is. Bet you're enjoying that.
Definitely.
Nice way to relax after playing football pool.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere.
It did snow a bit more last night.
That's brilliant!
Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. Under the video or at the end of the video, it is free, and press notification bell to be notified when we post new videos. This time, we'd love so much to know if you have ever been to Center Parcs. If you have, which one or which ones have you been to? If you haven't, where do you like to go for a short break?
I think that's a great question. It'd be lovely to know where people enjoy going for short breaks.
It really would be so lovely. We've been so lucky with the snow too, Mum.
We have, I couldn't believe it with the snow we've had while we've been here.
It's been amazing. We really hope you enjoyed coming along with us. We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye. Take care.
I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter.